I love my babies. Jonathan, Kyle, Sarah, Michael, Paul, Philip, Grace. David, Joe, Leslie, Paul, Timothy, Bernie, Evie, Poppy, Freddie, Maxine, George, Grave Jr., Lily, Kate. And Tony, who is naked. So today, we're making this young buck a pot. Woo-wee! Getting it out of this disgusting plastic. Actually, it's probably going to stay in there. But it's going to look way better and nicer. We will be making the whole thing out of chicken wire and paper mache. Oh, did I just break a chair? Oh, shh. I just broke my chair. Oh no. Look at that. How did that happen? I didn't sit down too quickly, did I? We're standing. Let's do this whole thing standing. First of all, I broke out the chicken wire, made it flat, cut the chicken wire to the correct size. And then folded the whole thing together. I think it's the I think it's the wind. It's too windy outside. We're gonna do it inside. Let's start the montage again. Let's make one of these bloody things. It's just, I cannot believe how bad this has gone so far. Oh, I'm gonna have to tell Kirsten I've broken a chair and destroyed her table. And maybe her scissors. Here we go, in the mood. I just spent 40 minutes making a waste paper basket. Fun tip, if you're going to do this, just go buy a waste paper basket and then paper mache of that, because then you can just add all the other bits. Waste of time. Now we cover the whole thing in paper mache. First piece, 83rd piece, 100, 440th piece, and 20th piece. A little bit of behind the scenes. I thought making a pot for a pot plant would be easy. Twist up some wire, boom, make it circle and then put a bottom. This isn't even, look how bad that looks. I want to kick it. See that? That is bird poo, drying outside, bird. Then the day after, drying outside, it rained. Had to start again this bit. And it comes out as the ugliest thing you've ever made, and you don't know why you keep going. And now I feel bad. I've made this thing and I'm calling it ugly. I'm so conflicted, like I want to throw it out, but I'm emotionally invested in it. This was supposed to be round. Look at that. I've only got a couple of hours to finish this, then I'm going to a wedding, then we're going to come home, cover it in flowers that I make from paper. I haven't even started. I don't know how to do that yet. Fingers crossed it will work. Okay, let's go to a wedding. I was gonna film the wedding and I forgot. Sorry, it was gonna be like a party montage. And it was gonna be good. I forgot. Okay, I'm back from the wedding, and after a weekend away, I actually kinda like the pot now. Yes, it's ugly. Personality-wise, A+. I kind of like it, but we're going to cover it in flowers. But first, cover it in with green paint in case I don't fill the whole thing with flowers. It doesn't look white. It'll look silly. So let's paint. Okay, time to make flower. Oh, look at my hair. What is happening? Let's just... Okay, we're going to make 2 flower types. One from crafty crepe paper. I think that's what it is. Another from just plain normal coloured paper. 4 long oblong shapes. And then back and forward, fold them on top of each other, like that, ish. You are making zigzag rolls, like that. Then, here's the wire, get some wire, cut a little piece off, twist it around the middle. Try and get it in the middle. This isn't, but get in the middle. Fan out these bits and just lift them up. And there you go, look at that. How good is that? Focus on that. How good does that look? Okay, now normal paper ones. Here's how you do that. Get a piece of paper, fold it in half. Fold it in quarters. Fold it again. Fold it, one more time. Cut around the top. This is the shape of your petal. Cut out a couple of the petals. Let's cut out 2 petals. Then we sellotape it together, make a bunch of these. Make a bunch of these and then layer them up together. And there you go! Something like that. Focus. Like that. Let's make a whole bunch. Why am I so sweaty? Oh my god, this is unbearable. Done! Yes! Keep the music going. Oh my god. That was really hard. I thought this would take a couple of hours. That has taken a couple of days. The ugly pot has been drying. All dry, look at this. Put against the white. Any green? None. Let's just start by sticking them on. I think just randomly, haphazardly to begin with. Oops, no, stay, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Finally, honestly, finally. Finally, time for some glamour shots. Okay, now we gotta show Tony. Tony, come look at this, mate. Oh, it's your new home. Here we go, bud. Here we go. Close your eyes. This is where Tony lives. Let's see where Tony lives. There we go. Above the bathroom. Oh, Tony, you look good, Mrs. Goblin Mask. Oh, wonderful. Thank you for watching. Go and hit subscribe. Do it for Tony. Honestly, this took way too much time. Get someone to help you if you do this. Get someone to help.